Welcome again to our new episode, which is the finding z-score associated with percentile, and we have more examples on it. First, we have here the problem. Consider a normal distribution with a mean value of 100 and a standard deviation of 5. Find the value of x with this condition. If the area from the mean to the z-score is 17%, and the z-score is negative. So if we have such problem like this, wherein there is a percentage given, automatically this is under percentile associated with z-score. So we cannot directly find for the value of z-score with just using our formula z is equal to x minus mean over standard deviation, because this z-score is unknown and at the same time the raw score is unknown. So we cannot directly use that formula. What we will do is we will utilize this given 17%. To solve that one, we have here our solution. Our given here is the probability or the area of z, which is actually given here that the z-score is negative. So, which is equal to negative z. We do not know yet the z-score. That is equal to 17%. Yan lang alam natin. Ang area daw ng z-score na yan is 17%. So, ano daw yung z-score na yon na alam mo na that is a negative z-score. So, 17% in decimal form is 0.17 or 0.1700. So, to do that one, let us illustrate to see kung asaan yung 17% na yan. So, ang z-score natin daw is negative z-value. Nasa left side siya ng ating normal curve. So, we have here, negative z. Now, we're looking at the z-value in here, and then this part here from mean going to that negative z-value, the area is 17% daw according to our problem. So, what will we do to get this z-value here? Anong z-value? Negative z-value ang equivalent dyan sa 17% na yan. Okay? So, para gawin yan, we have to look on to the area ng 17%. So, again, ang decimal point yan ay 0.1700. Ngayon, titignan natin yung z-table ngayon. Ang exact na 0.1700 kung may exact. If wala naman, yung nearest doon. So, as we can see, mapansin ninyo, meron tayong exact value. Saan siya banda? Andito siya. Okay? So, we have here yung area na 0.1700. So, anong z-value niyan? Yung z-value niya is 0.4 plus 0.04, that is 0.44. So, we'll go back to the problem. 0.44, big sabihin, since negative z-value daw yon, so we'll have it as negative 0.44 or negative 0.44. Right? So, we will use now this value of z to get or to find for the value of x. We will use the formula for getting the z-value, which is z is equal to raw score x minus mean divided by the population standard deviation. So, simply substitute what's in the given. So, z is equal to negative 0.44. That is equal now to x, that's raw score, which is unknown. So, minus the mean value, which is 100, over the standard deviation, which is 5. So, over 5. So, in solving equation like this, we have two processes. It's either we multiply the whole equation by 5 or we simply apply the cross multiplication process. So, negative 0.44, the denominator here is 1. So, 5 times negative 0.44 will get negative 2.2. That is equal to x minus 100 times 1 is still x minus 100. Simplify further, you can actually transpose this negative 100 here. So it becomes 100 minus 2.2, that is equal to x. Take note, we just have the variable x on the left side of the equation. Okay, so we have now x 100 minus 2.2, that is equivalent to 97.8. Therefore, we have now 17% of the scores in the distribution lies between 97.8 and 100. Right? So that's how we solve such problem like this. Alright, let's have another example. Okay, so we have consider a normal distribution with a mean value of 100 and a standard deviation of 5. Find the value of x if the area to the right of the z-score is 15%. Yung first previous example kasi natin is the area is 17% and the z-score is negative. But for now, we have the area to the right of that particular z-score daw is 15%. Ibig sabihin, kung nasan yung z-score mo, yung right side daw nun is 15%. Yun ang ibig sabihin. So, to do that one, we'll have the same process. We have our area, which is z, greater than your z-score. Okay? So, yung area daw ng z na yon is greater than that point nung z-score na yon. That is equal to 15%, yun, or 0.15. So, we're looking for that particular z value. Right? So, we have your normal curve. So, locate the mean and yung z-score mo is to the right. Diba? Sabi, z-score is to the right of z-score is 15%. So, meaning, yung z-score mo na yon is positive. So, we have 15% yung shaded portion and unknown yung z-score na yon. Alright, so 15% yan. Ngayon, kung mapapansin ninyo, paano mo malalaman yung z-score or z-value dito? So, malalaman mo to if you know this area, yung unshaded portion. So, since alam mo na 15% yung shaded portion and the total area of your right wing or right side of your normal curve is 50%. So, 50% minus 15%, you will have 35%. So, yung area from your mean or 0 to this particular z value is 35%. Ito ngayon yung gagamitin natin para makuha yung particular z value nito. Okay? Para makuha rin natin yung corresponding row score of this particular z value. So, we have to convert this 35% into decimal. So, ang 35% into decimal is 0.3500. Or just simply divide this by 100%. So, we have this one. Locate that one, 0.3500 sa ating normal curve table or z table. Okay? 0.3500, check natin kung may exact. Walang exact. Right? So, since walang exact, we get the nearest area, which is 0.3508. So, that 0.3508 area, kaninong z value yan? Kay 1.04. Okay, 1.0 plus 0.04 is 1.04. Yan yung gagamitin to solve for the value of your row score x. We will use that z-score, which is positive, kasi nga nasa right side siya, and that value is 1.04, and we plug in into our formula. So, z is equal to yung x variable, which is unknown, minus mean, which is 100 over or divide by standard deviation of 5. Your z is 1.04. So, simply substitute all your given now into the formula. z-score formula and simplify. You can have multiply the whole equation by 5 or simply cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 5 times 1.04, that is equal to 5.2, that is equal to x minus 100. Transpose negative 100 and then just write your variable into the left side to make it formal. So we have 100 plus 5.2. Ayan. Positive naman yung 5.2. That is equal to x. So 100 plus 5.2, that is equal now to 105.2. Therefore, the 15% of the scores in the distribution is greater than 105.2 kasi nga 2 is right. So that's it for in solving for the value of x or row score associated with percentile. So thank you so much for listening and see you sa next video.